Hello and welcome back. Today I'm restoring a pair of 6.3 inches Kenwood speakers. The foam surrounds are completely gone, they've simply disintegrated over time. The main drawback is that foam surrounds tends to degrade over 10 to 20 years, a phenomenon known as foam rot, unlike rubber surrounds. I've picked up some rubber replacements and flexible adhesive for repairing these speakers. First, I'll start by scraping the old glue off the edge of the first cone. The first speaker is done, now on to the second. We'll follow the exact same process for the second speaker. This is the most tedious part of the job. Finally, they're both cleaned up. Small speakers have very tight tolerances, so I'll have to be extremely careful with the centering. First, I'm applying the adhesive all around the inner edge of the surround. This adhesive is highly toxic. You'll need to take precautions against its harmful effects, so make sure to work in a well-ventilated area. Now, I'm applying glue around the edge of the speaker cone as well. I need to move fast because the glue sets in about 10 minutes, so that's my window for positioning. I'll carefully seat the surround onto the cone, making sure it's centered without forcing it. Next, I apply glue to the metal frame and gently press down the outer edge. To ensure a perfect result, I'll do the final alignment while the speaker is connected to a low-volume audio source. Everything sounds good, the audio is clean and the voice coil isn't rubbing. One speaker down, one to go. The second one looks promising too, the cone moves freely without any friction. The last step is to glue the gasket rings back onto the speaker edges. Final test with both speakers connected to the audio signal. I'm really happy with the result. I'll mount them back in their cabinets soon, where they'll definitely sound much better. But first, I'll let the glue cure for a full 24 hours. If you found this repair helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.